everyone! Welcome back. Today, we are diving into a specific topic for Windows 11 users: how to disable the rollback feature of Windows Installer. This feature is usually very helpful. It automatically undoes any changes if a software installation fails, ensuring your system remains stable. However, there might be situations, perhaps during advanced troubleshooting or when you need to save temporary disk space, where you want to temporarily disable this function. It is important to note that disabling this feature should be done with caution, as it can lead to incomplete installations if something goes wrong. We will cover two main methods for achieving this. First, let's look at using the Group Policy Editor, which is available in Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. To start, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit.exe and press Enter to open the local Group Policy Editor. In the left-hand pane, navigate through the folders, go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally select Windows Installer. On the right side, you will see a list of policies. Look for the policy named Disable Rollback. Double-click on this policy to open its settings. Here is where it can be a bit counterintuitive. To disable the rollback feature, you need to select the Enabled option. Enabling this policy actually disables the rollback functionality of the Windows installer. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. If you are using Windows 11 Home or prefer the Registry Editor, you can use our second method. Again, proceed with caution when editing the registry, as incorrect changes can affect your system stability. Press the Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. You might be prompted by user account control, so click Yes. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: hkuy_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/installer. If the installer key does not exist under Windows, you will need to create it. To do this, right-click on the Windows key, select New, then Key, and name it Installer. Once you are in the installer key, right-click on an empty space in the right pane. Select New, then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name this new DWORD value Disable Rollback. Double-click on Disable Rollback and set its value data to 1. A value of 1 disables the rollback feature, while 0, or deleting the value, enables it. Click OK to save the change and then close the Registry Editor. After making these changes, it's a good idea to restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. Remember, this is generally not recommended for everyday use. If you only need to disable rollback for a specific installation or troubleshooting session, you should re-enable it by reversing these steps once you are done. This means either setting the group policy back to not configured or disabled, or deleting the Disable Rollback DWORD value from the registry. And that's how you can disable the Windows Installer rollback feature in Windows 11 using either Group Policy or the Registry Editor. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps the channel grow, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already. See you next time.